Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I was busy all weekend long. My friend donated some tile and I redid my kitchen. So I did the backsplash and then I painted the cabinets. And I don't know if I'm going to show a picture of it right now, but I might. But I have these plates, and I was going to go online and find some decorative plates. I'm like, why can't I just decorate them? Duh. So and of course I did this one off camera, and I've had this in my backyard forever, and it fits this perfectly. So I haven't spun this one out yet, but I don't even know if I don't really want to, but there's just too much paint on it, so I had to. But yeah, so my colors tonight are Josonia Turquoise Iridescent, which is this one. Okay, so yeah, that didn't turn out too bad, but I did have to spin it because it was, yeah, there was too much paint on it. But that's pretty, you know, and of course I did it off camera. Then I have the golden phthalo turquoise, and that's it right here. There's my consistency. It's a mound on a mound on a mound. And this comes, FluidArt Color Shift, this is Aqua Flash. It comes in 8 ounces now. Now this was $18.99 at Michael's, but I had like that $10 credit, so it was like $8.99. Yeah, and I think I got 20% off that too. Yeah, I did. It was less. So there's the consistency and that beautiful color. And this is a eye candy. It's called Blue Blood. Very pretty. It has like a silvery finish, like right there. I don't know if you can see that. When I get these, they're ridiculously big. I think this was like $16 or $17, but you get a lot. And I just, yeah, their colors are really pretty too. So they come in like the smaller ones, and these I think are $9, maybe $8.99 or something. Anyhow, let's get back to this. So I am going to lift this off, and then I'm going to do these, because I'm not going to get this kind of result because there's nothing in the center. But isn't that pretty? Yay. All right. The reason why I wasn't going to do a bloom is because you can't really see it. This time I'm going to put this first, and then the light one. All cells on that side and none on this. I don't care. I like it. Then we know we have to spin that one. That one has loads of paint on it. Ooh. Slippery, slippery little sucker. I kind of like that. I'll have to do both of them the same now. Can you guys even see? All right. Not gonna know what it looks. I do like that. I do a lot. It's a plate, for gosh sakes. Actually, I'm glad I did this instead of the, yeah, see? Pretty. And we'll bring the other one. I cleaned these off with Windex very well, but I just have smooched it right there. All right, so let's do it again. A quickie is turning into a longie. Oh, there we go. I don't even know if I'm going to post this. It's just for my own selfish means here. But it does show you what you can do. So you don't have to go out and buy stuff too. Just use what you got. That is like one hell of a lot of paint. Okay, where's the scraper? Oh, I went to a party this weekend. It was a disco theme. Oh my God, what a great time. We danced and had karaoke, and it was a lot of fun. Yeah, that's really totally messed up. Okay. I pour right over it. There we go. Try it again. You know, this time I'm going to put the phthalo turquoise down first. Yeah, let's try that. And then this luscious stuff. Oh my gosh. This on black is so pretty. Let this be the star of the show. White first. Oh, that's better. I can see a halo now. Duh. Okay, and then the 3 greens, or 3 blues. Okay. Low fan, cool. Oh my, yeah, I really like it. I know there's not a lot in the center, but that's fine by me. I really like this a lot. And give it a spin after it comes up a bit. Wow, nice color combination. Look at that one. That's crazy. But that'll probably be in where the hole is. Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try this on a bigger tile. Or a bigger piece. This is special. All right, let's give it a quick little spin. Get some of that paint off. Don't want it cracking. That's pretty. Happy. Oh yeah. One more little spin. I've got this little corner here I'm not crazy about. And I'm wearing gloves tonight. The reason I'm wearing gloves tonight is I cut my finger and then I got a blister on my finger from cutting CDs for the CD mosaic I have on my wall. So, but I like doing the CD mosaics. They're kind of cool. Can't get too much velocity. Oh yeah. Yeah, I really like that. It's gonna look nice with the mosaic. Wow, look at all this good stuff. Whoa. Oh, in case you're wondering, this little tool, I got this in with my silicone cups I just ordered because they're supposed to be for like resin and then spreading the resin. So I think I might be doing some swipes with them sometime soon. All right, I'm happy with that. I'm gonna actually take you guys down for a close-up of both. Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's my phthalo turquoise. Okay. Have little cup holders. There's no reason why I shouldn't be using them. All right, yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. All right, guys. So this one obviously is like that 2-plate one. So this part in the center will be going bye-bye, and so will that. But I'm kind of happy with like that iridescence. There's a lot of iridescence in here. Yeah, pretty cool. And then this, oh gosh, I'm just in love. And that blue blood is the one I put on last before the cell activator, and look what it did. I mean, these cells have like little silver around them. So yeah, that's gonna be a favorite now, but real pretty. Yeah, so these are going up on my wall. And yeah, so you can, don't think you have to go out and find, you know, some decorative thing when you can actually make them. I mean, look at those cells. I just love it. So I will unveil these tomorrow, hopefully, or maybe the next day. Depends on how long it takes to dry. Okay, time for bed, Michelle. All right, you guys, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now. Hey guys, no, not dry yet. But I couldn't wait to pull off the tape. I just had to see what it would look like. So I'm pretty happy with these. Yeah, very cool. So these can be done and sold at craft shows too. So very, very cool. I'm very happy with these. So anyhow, just had to share the not quite dry results. Bye now.